Hey, back with another TD Engine video, and today we're going to talk about how you can set up your first OPC UA data source. Okay, click Create New Task, click a task name, give it, I'm going to call it Demo, and then in your data source section, we're going to pick OPC UA. Now, if you're wondering how to get to this interface, make sure you go to localhost 6060. It'll be in the description of this video or in the subtitles to our time series database that's a part of TD Engine. Now you're going to pick a target database. I already have one, but you would have to create one. And an important caveat is if your agent is on a different computer, you're going to need a agent to access your OPC server because your OPC server is on a different computer. Creating an agent is pretty simple. You would download and install it. And then after you would do that, you would give it a name and configure it on your device. Just follow the prompts. Remember, this is for a Linux or Windows environment only. It does not work on two separate Macs if that is a plan that you have. Okay, now paste in your server endpoint. That's what mine looks like. And configure your failover server endpoints if you have one, a security mode if you have one, and a security policy. Also, for your authentication, you should know which one to use, but we support anonymous usernames and certs. Check your connection. It should say data source is reachable. If it doesn't, please try again. Now, by default, OPC UA automatically finds the data points and the custom tags you need, but if you'd like to upload a CSV, you could do that as well. So you could upload a CSV that has your OPC UA data source ready to go. So you would edit your CSV, and here's kind of what a sample of that looks like, right? So if I do a quick look into a CSV, this is how I would kind of define the OPC UA data source. Just something to think about. Okay, you could also download a CSV template, and there's some instructions for you. Make sure if you have some alarms and events and you want to customize the event types, you could do that here. And under here, you can pick your collect mode. Most times, subscribe or observe is the mode you want, but if there's an event you want to follow, you can do event. And then if you want to collect bad data, you can turn that on or off. And the point interval mode update is default set to none. You can change that as well. There's some advanced options for your log level and concurrency, but go ahead and hit submit. I've already done so, and you should start to see your data source running. Once it's running, go find your database, and you should notice your data automatically populate. This is a good sign. Okay, now hop into TD Engine's other interface, which is IDMP, and I'm going to show you how to import your OPC UA data. Go to Admin Console, go to Connections, TD Engine, and open up Data Modeling. In Data Modeling, you should find Import to OPC. Click Rebuild if you haven't used this. If you've used this already, but if you haven't, you should just see this. Pick your database, and then now it automatically will recreate your OPC UA tree, allowing you to easily recreate that tree. And you can even pick a path level. So I can set this at 1 if I want to skip, some data and go straight into my tree. Okay, this is what mine looks like built, automatically building my tree and automatically having the value and quality metrics I use. Now I can use them in things like general analysis. So it tells me what this is and what this means and what it's monitoring. Go ahead and play around with it. Create a panel using AI generated features. And if you want to see exactly how to do that, I encourage you to try all of our AI generated features, create some panels, create some visualizations, play around with it. You can throw the value and the quality onto a metric if you want. Totally up to you, and try all of our different trends and our AI features as well. Thank you.